Let's get your bubbles and flavor dialed in with your new Cirkul Plus Complete System. Inside the box, you'll find the Cirkul Plus bottle and lid, the bubble hub, 1 CO2 cylinder, and 8 new fizzy-flavored sip cartridges. Please note, before your first use, hand wash all components with a drop of liquid dish soap and warm water. Then let everything air dry. First, load the CO2 cylinder into the bubble hub. Open the back door and place the cylinder bottom first into the blue elevator. Then close the door securely. This will lift the cylinder and connect it to the bubble hub. Next, place your Cirkul Plus bottle into the bubble hub and press down to ensure it's fully sealed. Press the bail down and you'll hear the CO2 flow recharging your bottle. Keep holding the bail for about 10 seconds until the flow stops. Now release the bail, remove the bottle, and you're good to go. Fill your Cirkul Plus bottle with cold water to the fill line and screw on the lid, making sure it's fully tightened and facing forward. Then fasten on one of the included fizzy favorite sips, or choose from over 100 plus flavors at drinkcirkul.com. Now pull the lid lever to the right into charge mode and push the carbonation button to start the flow of CO2 into your water. Hold the button for approximately 5 seconds until the bubbling slows or stops. Give your bottle a shake to mix the CO2 into the water, then return the lever to drink mode. Next, twist the flavor dial to adjust the flavor intensity, from X being plain water to 9 being maximum flavor. You can customize it just how you like it. That's it! Your Cirkul Plus Complete System is ready to go. Just take a sip and enjoy your personalized fizzy beverage. When you're ready for a refill, this portable bottle can be recharged at the bubble hub each day and provides approximately 5 to 6 refills, depending on how fizzy you like your beverage. Thanks for watching. We hope you love your new Cirkul Plus Complete System.